Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about the buzzword in the market, that is Chat GPT. So basically Chat GPT is a prototype artificial intelligence chatbot developed by the Open AI. It is a chatbot basically, the Chat GPT. So let's practically see how we can use Chat GPT. So you have to write the Chat GPT in the search bar, and you have to click on this first link of the Open AI. So I'm going to click on this, optimizing language models for dialogues. So just scroll down, and here you can see this button, try Chat GPT. So let's click on this, and you have to sign up first if you don't have an account. Click on sign up, and you have to provide the email address and the password. It's a normal sign up process you have to perform here. So I have already created an account, so I will log in directly. After you log in, you will see this particular screen, that is Chat GPT. This is a free research preview. Let's click on next. Conversation may be reviewed by our AI trainer to improve our system. Okay, so whatever we type, the AI trainers will see that. Please don't share any sensitive information in your conversation. So make sure that you are not sharing any personal or sensitive information. Let's click on next. Let's click on done. And this is the interface. This is a UI of Chat GPT. So here they have put in examples, explain quantum computing, got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old birthday, how do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript, and these are the capabilities here and the limitation. So let's start off with the resume building, because a lot of people are finding jobs nowadays. So let's write, can you write a resume for AWS Cloud Administrator? Okay, can you write a resume for AWS Cloud Administrator? Let's hit enter. Okay, sure, here is a sample resume for an AWS Cloud Administrator. So it's done. Let's see the result. Objective to obtain a position as an AWS Cloud Administrator. Okay, this is the summary. Technical skills. Here we have the professional experience section, and you guys can add these bullet points in your resume as well. And you just have to change the company name, obviously, and the year, but we can use these bullet points, right? And it is cool, I think. I hope this resume sample helps you as a reference. It is always a good idea to tailor your resume to fit the specific job you are applying for. It is telling us to make some changes, right? So it's smart. And you can also write the cover letter. Can you write a cover letter for me? Let's see what will be the result. Sure, I'd be happy to help you write a cover letter. A cover letter is a document that you submit with your job application to provide additional information about your skills and experience. It's an opportunity to highlight your qualification and explain why you are a good fit for a position. Okay. Okay, so the result is here. First, it is saying you'll need to follow these steps. It also provide you the sample cover letter. That is also great. Now let's optimize it. Can you write a professional cover letter for a cloud administrator at a company? Google for me. So let's see if it write the cover letter for me or not. Like I have specified the cloud administrator and the Google company. So let's see the result. Okay, sure. Here is a sample cover letter for a cloud administrator position at Google. Okay, dear hiring manager, I'm writing to express my interest in the cloud administrator position at Google. This is cool, right? Thank you for considering my application. Okay, so you can use ChatGPT for creating your cover letters as well. That is great, right? So let's see the other way we can use ChatGPT. Can you write 5 tweets about cloud computing? Okay, okay, cool. It also adding this hashtag. That is great, huh? Just move our company's entire infrastructure to the cloud and it has been a game changer. No more worrying about hardware maintenance and backups. Great. Cloud computing is not just for big businesses. Even solo entrepreneurs and freelancers can take advantage of the flexibility and convenience of cloud-based tools and services. It also using the hashtags like small businesses and cloud computing. That is great. In a funny way, let's see if it works. I just want my tweets to be funny. So let's see if it's work or not. I've tried this before. 5 humorous tweets about cloud computing. Oh God, I used to worry about data backup, but now I just let the cloud take care of it. It's like a big fluffy pillow for my data. It's cool. It's cool. Let's say, can you write a LinkedIn post on cloud computing? Okay, let's hit enter. Are you leveraging the power of the cloud in your business? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comment below. It is also including this line as well. That is cool. Let's say, so this is a buzzword in our industry, entry level cyber jobs, right? Write the short LinkedIn post on entry level cyber jobs. Enter. Let's see. Sure. Okay, are you looking to break into the field of cybersecurity? Many influencers start their LinkedIn post with this particular statement. Are you looking to break into the field of cybersecurity? Are you pursuing a career in cybersecurity? Share your tips and experience in the comments below. That is great. So we can use this particular chat GPT for the tweets and LinkedIn post as well. Okay, let's see the coding part now. So I have already created the question here. Can you write a Python function for AWS Lambda that start the EC2 instance at 9 a.m. and stop the EC2 instance at 8 p.m. IST? Let's see if it's create the Lambda function or not. Let's see. And I have already tried this and it's actually worked. Okay, so it's done. And here is our function. And I have already tried this, huh? I have made some changes, like we have to provide the instance ID, and it is also, telling us that you have to replace the instance ID. Okay, and it also explain the function and the each line of the code here. So it is really helpful if you are learning the coding, or if you are not understanding any code, so you can just paste your code here, and this chat GPT will explain your code line by line. You will need to replace the instance ID variable with the actual ID of the EC2 instance. Actually, I have performed this in my organization. So that is the reason I had this idea that let's try this in Chat GPT. Can you write Python exercise for beginners with code? Okay, here is the Python exercise for beginners that involves writing a sample function to calculate the area of a rectangle. Okay, that is cool. So if you are a writer, you can easily enhance your writing skills by using the Chat GPT. So let's write an essay about Kevin Mitnick. Kevin Mitnick is my favorite hacker, actually. That is the reason I wanted to write an essay about him. So we are just experimenting. So let's hit enter. Can you write an essay about Kevin Mitnick? Sure. Kevin Mitnick is a well-known computer security consultant. Okay. Kevin Mitnick became skilled at manipulating people. As a teenager, Mitnick became skilled at manipulating phone systems and eventually began using his skill to gain unauthorized access to computer system. Okay, it's actually great. Let's see if it's work. Can you write a blog post about ransomware as a service? Certainly. Ransomware as a service is a relatively new concept in the world of cybercrime. Okay. 6 paragraphs, right? 6. It's great, right? It's great. All the information is true because I have already done my research on ransomware as a service, so all the information is pretty good. Now, this is for the people who are in the writing field. So, let's write marketing emails. So, can you write 3 professional marketing emails for my OSINT course? So, I am working on my OSINT course. So, I just want to try this thing. So, let's see if it's work. You can use any number here, like 5, 10. I've used 3. Discover the power of OSINT with our comprehensive course. Great. Are you looking to enhance your online research skills and learn how to uncover hidden information on the internet? It's really cool. Best regards. Don't miss out on this opportunity to unlock the full potential of the internet and sign up for our OSINT course today. This is amazing. This is really amazing. I really like this feature of this particular chatbot that it write emails for you. I hate writing emails basically. These are the professional marketing emails, right? So I can use this email sample for my personal courses as well. This feature of Chat GPT is worth it, seriously. Because I have seen a lot of people, they find it really difficult to send an email or write an email. So this will be the best thing for them. But yes, we have to make certain changes here, right? We have to make certain changes. according to our needs. I will add just more bullet points here according to my course, but the writing here is great. I love this. Let's write a poem. Can you write a poem for, sorry, on, can you write a poem on humanity? So let's see. Actually, I don't really like poems, but it is just for the experiment. So if you like poem, like writing poem, so it will be your friend. You can use it as an assistant to write a poem for you or the idea of the poem. It will be great tool to have. And I have also used Chat GPT for the religious studies as well. So I have just typed this. Can you write a summary of Surah Rahman in a simple English? And the result was great. Let me show you how we can use Chat GPT for our religious studies as well. And it changes, it changes every time. It's a 55th chapter of the Quran, and the chapter begins with an oath by God. It encourages believers to reflect on the blessings they have received from the God and to show gratitude and obedience to him. Okay, let's write the next thing, that is, can you write a summary of Bhagavad Gita? Bhagavad Gita, basically it's a Hindu holy book. It is a religious book, and Bhagavad Gita, also known as the Songs of the Lord. Actually, I've mistyped the spelling. So this is the short summary of the holy book. Okay, basically Talmud is a Jewish religious book, and I'm so interested in this book. I don't know why, but I'm just interested and curious about the Jewish culture. So let's see. Can you write a summary of Talmud? I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name as per the Hebrew language or not, but on Google Translation it says Talmud. So that is the reason I'm pronouncing it Talmud. So Talmud is a central text in the Judaism. It's a vast and complex work covering a wide range of topics. Okay. So let's say, can you write 5 quotes about life from the Holy Bible? Christian Bible is different than the Hebrew Bible. Yes. So here are 5 quotes about life from the Holy Bible. For everything there is a season and a time for every matter under heaven. Okay. The fear of Lord is the beginning of wisdom. Be strong and courageous. Trust in the Lord with your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your path straight. Okay, do not be anxious about anything. That is the great thing. So the reason I'm showing this, because if you are the religious person and you are, you know, you are attending this religious gathering, so this information really help. This particular chatbot definitely helps you, because see the result, all the religious books summary, the chapter summary is also here. So it is really great, it is really amazing. By the way, I'm definitely going to use this. So let's ask the Chat GPT what will be the title of this video that I'm recording. What will be the title for my Chat GPT video? Can you suggest me some friendly title for my video? Let's hit enter. Okay. GPT Chat, a fun and interactive way to learn about artificial intelligence. Get to know GPT. Discover GPT Chat, a fascinating look at the power of machine learning. Humorous title. Let's hit enter. Okay. This is also the other way, the funniest way to talk to a machine. I have already decided the title of this video, but I'm just showing. Can you write a title for my AWS VPC video? This will be the upcoming video of mine. A beginner guide to virtual private cloud, AWS demystified, understanding the basics of virtual private cloud, AWS VPC, the ultimate guide to virtual private cloud management. Cool. The coding part of Chat GPT, people are saying that it will create the code in minutes or in seconds, but I just want to say one thing here that see, if you are already a developer, that is cool, okay? You can read the code, you can make certain changes in your code, that's it. But if you are not a developer and you don't really know any programming language, I think first you have to learn that. You can use this tool as a study buddy or as an assistant, but don't just rely on the Chat GPT. Read books, okay? Enhance your knowledge, read books, because reading cannot be replaceable by anything, okay? This is my point of view. So please guys, don't just use Chat GPT for creating the code. You have to write the code actually. So learn and make the habit of writing code. Just don't copy paste your code. It's a great tool. We have to use it in a proper way. So use Chat GPT for your projects, for your videos, for your assignments of your college, but please make certain changes. Just don't copy paste blindly, because the Chat GPT also said that please make certain changes according to your need. Make sure that you remember this thing in your mind, and it is a very great tool, by the way. So this is a beginner guide, and if I'll experiment something new with coding or maybe some other stuff, so we'll share that information with you guys. So I hope you like the video and you know how to use the Chat GPT now. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, then please share this video with your friends and experiment with Chat GPT, and make sure that you guys are subscribing to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.